Hello everybody, and welcome back to my channel. As I told you at the very beginning, this is going to be a very eclectic channel. A lot of different things, travel information. Well, my latest thing is I traded in my Intex inflatable for a lifetime tandem kayak. And so far I'm loving it. Haven't really given it good use yet. Only had it in the water once, but so far I'm loving it. My biggest project was how to transport it, and that I'll do in a separate video. But I just want to give my main thing today is to show you a couple of little hints on things that I found very useful. And the one is that it's hollow inside, and the storage compartment you can't put anything in there, so it just pulls through. So I'm going to show you now how to alleviate that and put your personals in there when you're kayaking. Hold on one second and I'll be right back. As you can see, anything you put in there can just float around in a boat. What I did, I went up to Dollar General. I bought a little trash bucket with same diameter at the bottom. It was flat out at the top, so I put a slice in it, folded it over, and screwed and glued it together. And it fits in there perfect. Now I have a little place for my wallet or my keys, and it closes nicely. A little bungee cord, so everything is safe and secure. If you want to make sure it's waterproof, just put it in a little plastic bag, and you have a nice compartment for storage. And I'm surprised they didn't think of it, because it's such a simple thing and so inexpensive. But anyway, that's one thing. Now hang in, and I'm going to show you another. This is a trolley I bought to transport from the vehicle. Oh, almost fell. But my biggest problem was, from the factory, they had these two crappy little legs for a kickstand, and the thing kept falling over. So I just threw them away. I was ready to send the thing back. Then I come up with an idea. I liked everything about it. I liked the fact that it's all aluminum. It's adjustable in size. I wasn't crazy about the wheels. I guess they're hard rubber, but they've seemed to work very well. The problem was I couldn't get the thing to stand up and put the boat on without it falling over. So I was sending it back, but I love the contour of it. It fits all kinds of kayaks. So what I did, come up with an idea. I put a crossbar on. I just had a little piece of tubing, and I bought a cheap kickstand from Temu. I think it was $7, and it works absolutely perfect. Surprised the company's not going to do this and charge an extra couple of bucks. But this thing now sits back, stays in place, very solid. I just lift it on the boat, lift it right on, and strap it down. It has two nice tie downs. So I hope that this information will help you out. I'm an older man, so I need all the help I can get. This kayak weighs 77 pounds, but in my younger days I could have bench pressed it, but today I need help. So anyway, I hope those hints help you out a little bit, and I'll be doing a lot more on this. I'm going to do a lot of customization, show you how I mount it on the car, and consider giving me a like and a subscribe. And I can be found at the Wow Factor, Ed and Ann. Okay, everybody, I'll see you again soon.